Okay, we're going to be doing subtraction right now. Okay, so mainly whenever we have to borrow multiple times, I've been seeing a lot of people been having trouble with that. So I just want to make sure I do a demonstration so y'all can refer back to it whenever y'all are practicing. Okay, so our number is 702 minus 567, right? So we have 2 minus 7. We can't do that because 2 is less than 7, and we can't subtract the number that's less than the bottom number. So we have to go borrow from the tens place. But we don't have anything in the tens place to borrow from. So we have to borrow from the hundreds place first. So if we're borrowing from the hundreds place, this 7 becomes 6 because it's when you borrow, you just subtract 1, right? So that becomes a 6, and the 0 now becomes a 10. So being that we have 10 here, now we have enough to borrow from our ones place, right? So being that 2 is less than 7, we can't subtract it. So we have to borrow from the tens place. When we borrow from the tens place, this 10 that we got from over here now becomes the number 9, right? And this becomes the number 12. Now we can subtract. So we have 12 minus 7 is 5. We have 9 minus 6 is 3. And we have 6 minus 5, which is 1. Our answer is 135. So I want you to take a hard look of what we did here, right? So let's do another one just in case we didn't capture it all. Give me a second. In our second example, we have 608 minus 299. Okay, same rules applies. We have 8 minus 9. We can't do that because 8 is less than 9. So we have to go borrow from the tens place. We don't have anything to borrow from the tens place. So in order to get something to borrow, we have to borrow from the hundreds place. So now this 6 becomes a 5. Okay? Because 6 minus 1 is 5. And now we have 10 because we borrowed from the hundreds place. Now we have enough in our tens place to borrow to get our number 8 up to a number that we can subtract from, right? So 8 is less than 9, so we can't subtract it. So we have to borrow from the tens place. We have 10 now in the tens place, so now we have to borrow from there. So it means 10 minus 1, which is 9 up here. And now our 8 becomes 18. Okay? So 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I think y'all are going to catch on to that pretty fast, but I just want to make sure that y'all focus on that step. Whenever you have something to borrow twice, make sure that number becomes a 10, and that 9 is your new number when you borrow from over here. Don't miss that crucial step, or you're going to end up getting the question wrong. So yeah, I hope that helps. If it doesn't, I want y'all to do this example by yourself, and if you can, tell me the answer in the comment section, okay? How about this one? 702 5 5 5. So if you can, I want you to do this on your own. You have the number 702 minus 555. Good luck to y'all. I'll see y'all later.